Hi, I'm Cora and I'm an AI enthusiast. Today, I'm going to do you a brief overview on Opal remixing opals. So how you get there is opal.google.com. When you will come to this page, it will look like this for opal.google. In the left-hand screen, you'll see Opal experiment. It's in beta stage. Further down, you'll see opals that you've made. I've happened to make a couple here for my comic relief. Further down, you'll see opals done by Google, the Opal team at Google. They've made these opals for us to explore, check out, experiment with. So since this video is about Opal Remix, I'm going to show you a couple ways to get there. And I guess the question is, why do you want to make an opal? Well, it's a secure, like a GPT. It's secure. Your knowledge files, your instruction files, and all that is secured so that when you share it with anyone, they can't get into those files. That is the difference between a gem and an opal. Gem is open. Anybody you share a gem with can see all your work and your instruction files you put into that gem to make it the way you want it. So Opal is the answer to that problem. So today is about Remix. There's a couple ways to get into Remix. You can say you see a Opal you want to use and you want to remix it and make it your own. So you click on that Opal. I'm going to stick with the claymation. I started out with that for my brutally honest cat. Now you can click this and you come to this screen. This happens to be in the app screen. There's the editor in the middle of the screen. You can highlight that and it will give you this screen. Now I'm going to go back out and show you the remix button on that app that I chose. You can click remix here and it's going to start the remix for you and bring you right to this screen. So it's in draft. You can see up here it says draft. And so when you hit that remix button from your front panel, it's already up here in remix mode. I'm going to delete that for now and go into the Opal app the second way I showed you. It's in the editor screen, but it does not say published up. It does not say draft up here. It says what's published. Now you can use the app as is. You can click the start button here and use it. You can go to apps. Because it's still in publish mode, you can use start button down here. We're going to go back up into editor. And for this screen, don't get freaked out. This looks like automation. It sort of is, it's sort of not. It's kind of like SOPs telling the Opal to do this and then this and then this and then this. It's instruction set. Now, on the screen, I want to show you the console button, this oval button to the right of the preview. And this reflects these nodes over here because they're called nodes. And then we'll come back to preview button. Click that. Now, since it's about remix, we want to know how to remix this. So we click remix. And now it says draft. So I would like to change this picture. I'm going to go over here to the right hand button that says theme. I'm going to click that. And this comes up. This is the description box in order to change this picture. Your other options are to do the randomize, regenerate this picture here that's on here, or you can upload your own image from your files. I'm going to use this description box, and how I got the description for this picture is I went to chat. I said I'd like to change this picture and I need to put something in the description box that will give me the picture that I want. And chat gave me the description that I liked. And so I came over here, I highlighted, I clicked in there. You would think you'd be able to right click on your mouse, but you cannot yet. It is in beta stage. So how you do it, I do not have Mac. I think it'd be, for me, it's Control V. On Mac, it's Command V maybe. So, whoops, that didn't work out so good. So let me do theme. I thought I copied it. Nope, I did not. So hang on a minute. Here to Opal, click it, Control V. There's my description of what I want this picture to change to, and then you hit enter, and it's generating that picture. And it's got a cool thing over here. If you click on the three dots next to share, that's a cool looking cat. It's got show version history. So if you mess up anything when you're working on it, creating a new skill, you can go back in time and get back to the last version before the mess up. So that's pretty cool. And you can edit the title and the description and all that stuff here from those three dots. So that is done. I've changed the picture. Now you can use this here, this start button here, and start using it. But you can see it's saved. I would like to publish it, but it says here you can't publish your Opal because it isn't shared yet. So you have to do the share button first. And I'm going to click on that. It's going to give this drop down menu. Only you, anyone with this link, or custom. So again, these two are, yours is protected with anyone with this link. You go down into custom, and this is pretty cool. This allows you to share with anyone here. You put the person's name in there, and you can share with that person. And you go to this drop down button under restricted, and anyone with this link. So you're going to click anyone with this link because you've got a name up there, and it's going to give you a drop down button for viewer, commenter, or editor. And you select which one you want. Say you're working with someone on building out your Opal, and you've put their name up there. This will give them editorial abilities to get in there and change things on your Opal. Okay, so for right now, we're going to do viewer. We are going to click done. And okay, this comes up as on for right now. Allow access to editor, view, and remix. And unless we're sharing it with somebody that we want to have those rights to do, we would leave it on. That's that's what you chose. But if you chose commenter or view only, you're going to want to shut this off, and you're going to click done. And here's a link you can copy for this Opal. You're going to want to click done, and it's saved. And you can go here to app, and you can start using it here. Right now, we're going to want to check and make sure that it is showing up in our Opals that we've made. It is here. It seems to duplicate right now, and it may have something to do with because I shared it, or there's a glitch in the system. But you can click on the app and start using it. Go back out, and it shows up that it's here. So you've just got a duplicate. There's no it's in experiment beta stage, so you're getting to for whatever reason, you can delete one. There's nothing different between either one of them. And that is how you create a remix opal. And thank you very much, and you all have a good day. Bye.